In this lecture or video, we will learn what is data validation. Data validation means we are applying a criteria on the blank cell so that user cannot input wrong data. That means the data is 100% correct and we can rely on it. This criteria is called data validation rule. Now these are the steps. Now I am going to the Excel file to see how to apply this one. Here I am choosing the roll number column, select this, and in the data menu there is a data validation option. Go to the data validation setting. By default it allow any value. Here I am choosing whole number and the operator is greater than or equal to. I want my roll number should be greater than equal to 1100. So here I am applying the criteria data validation rule 1100. This is the input message. When I will put my cursor on the cell, this message will appear near to the cell. This is the roll number must be greater than equal to 1100. Same, I am copying it and go to the error alert tab and paste over here. This message will appear if I will input wrong data. Now see, when I put the cursor, this message is appearing. Same, I am applying on test 1. I want my marks should be in between 0 to 30. So here I am choosing the whole number and the operator is between. This is the minimum is 0 and maximum is 30. Input message. This message will appear when I put the cursor on the cell. It should be greater than equal to 0 and less than 30, less than equal to 30. Copy it. In the error alert tab, this message will appear when I will input wrong data. It is less than 0 or greater than 30. Then OK. Now I am going to input the data. Suppose I am writing 1900. Sorry, it's a 1000. It is less than 1100. So it is giving the message over here. It will repeat until I correct the data. Test. Here I am typing 29. This is within range. So it allows us to input the data. Here I am typing 1900. Roll number is correct. Here I am typing minus 12, which is out of range. So it is giving the message over here. Again I am typing 32. Again it is out of the range, so it is giving the message. Same, it will repeat. This is the circle invalid data. If my data is already typed and I want to apply the data validation rule, then it will circle all the invalid data, means which doesn't meet the validation criteria. These are the steps. Now here this is my student table and data is already there. I am applying the criteria rule on roll number. So select all the data, go to the this is data validation rule setting, whole number. I want my roll number should be 1100 to 1150. Now see, go to the data validation, circle invalid data. All the circle data is or are invalid. When I will correct it, it will automatically remove this circle. If the data is within the range, the circle will remove. If I am typing the incorrect data, it would display this message. This is how the circle will remove. Clear validation circle. If I want to remove this invalid data circle without correcting the data, these are the steps. Just select this cell, go to the data validation. This is the clear validation circles. This is without correcting the data. I can remove this data, these circles. Again, I am going to the data validation. I want to clear whatever the validation rule I have applied. First, I have to select that column. Then go to data validation option and clear all. It will clear all the validation rules applied on this column. Now I try to circle invalid data. It is not doing anything. Remove duplicate data. If my table has the duplicate data, these are the steps how we can remove it. Let us suppose I select this record to copy it. Oops, it's giving some another value. No problem, I am doing over here. Let us suppose I am writing the same record. This is my duplicate data. I want to remove this. For this, we have to select whole data and again data. This is the remove duplicate. Then OK. One duplicate value is found and it will remove automatically. These all are the unique data. This is all about the data validation rule.